Today I'm going to show you an explosive project, the shoulder distributor machine. It may look simple, but the power behind this build will blow your mind. Inside I've used heavy coil winding, strong spring action, and a rock-solid mechanism. Every single movement is powerful and built for performance. This machine is made for durability and raw strength, and trust me, you've never seen a project like this before on YouTube. And today we are going to push it to the limit with a full power test. So stay tuned till the end. I've designed this machine using just a few basic but important components to give the best performance. Now let's making process. Before we dive into the video, I want to give a big shout out to our sponsor, Altium 365. If you're into PCB designing, this is the ultimate cloud-based platform you've been waiting for. With Altium 365, real-time collaboration becomes effortless. Whether you're working alone or with a team spread across the globe, you can seamlessly share, review, and co-edit your PCB designs anytime, anywhere. No more messy emails or version issues. Stay synced and focused in one simple workspace. And if you're a student, there's something even better for you. Check out Altium Student Lab. You get free access to both Altium Designer and Altium 365 simply with your university email. Start collaborating with classmates, work on real-world projects, earn industry-recognized certificates, and seriously boost your career potential, all before you even graduate. So if you're ready to take your PCB design workflow to the next level, whether you're a pro or just starting out, click the link in the description below and get started with Altium 365 today. To make the body of this machine, I started with a PVC pipe and carefully cut it into the exact pieces I needed. Then using a hot gun, I heated and flattened each piece one by one. After shaping them properly, I used strong glue to fix all the parts together. This way, the body became solid, well balanced, and perfectly ready for the next step of the project. Here I used a powerful gear motor, the main driving force of this machine. On the top side of the motor shaft, I attached a small pipe, and over that, I placed a strong rubber grip. I carefully added a strong rubber grip on top. This gives it extra firm hold and smooth, stable rotation, making the setup stronger, reliable, and long-lasting, so that it holds tight and moves without slipping. After this, I worked on the rotating section. Using a solid shaft along with a bearing, I built a support system that keeps everything perfectly aligned. This entire unit was then fixed securely with the gear motor, making sure the motion stays smooth and powerful. To lock it all in place, I applied strong glue, so every part stays firm even when the motor runs at full torque. Once the mechanical section was done, I started connecting the gear motor wires, making sure every connection was solid and safe. Then, I added a switch, a simple but very important control that gives me full command over the machine. The wiring was straightforward, but it had to be neat for reliable performance. Now moving on to the next step. Here I use a wheel stroke, which I carefully set in place. After adjusting it properly, I positioned it along with the switch, so that it stays firm and works exactly the way I need. Once done, I fixed it securely onto the machine body. To make sure this part doesn't move, I applied glue carefully so it stays strong and fixed in one place. Next, for the power source, I used a mobile battery. I started connecting it step by step, making sure the polarity and wiring were accurate. I brought in a charging module. This is the key part that allows safe charging and smooth power delivery. I carefully connected the module as well, and you can also follow the same method exactly as I've shown. Once all the electrical connections were completed, the machine assembly reached its final stage. Now it was time to seal the body. One by one, I fixed all the body parts together, and for strong bonding, I used glue so that every piece stays tightly attached and nothing moves out of place. Finally, the complete setup was ready. The body was strong, the wiring was clean, and now comes the most exciting part. So that's how this shoulder distributor machine came alive. So friends, how did you like this shoulder distributor machine project? Tell me your opinion in the comments. I really want to know your thoughts. As you can see, this machine is working perfectly, with smooth action and powerful performance. Every part is doing its job exactly as planned, which makes the project even more exciting. For now, that's it in today's video. But get ready, because the next project will be bigger, stronger, and even more creative. Till then, bye-bye, take care, and stay tuned for more powerful innovations.